Hi, this is Tom from Tom's Tech Reviews, and this is my video on how to fix the issue when Apple's latest iOS 14 update freezes during a data transfer from your old iPhone to your new iPhone 12. And this fix will work for any model of iPhone 12. I'm actually using my iPhone 12 mini in this tech help guide. So the first thing we need to do is press the power button down on the right hand side of our iPhone 12 to bring up this list of options. And now we need to tap on shutdown so that we can restart our iPhone 12. For this fix to work, we need to do the opposite of before, and we need to keep our iPhone 12 away from our old iPhone, as we don't want to trigger the data transfer process yet until we've updated the iOS 14 software on our iPhone 12. Let's power the phone back up, press the power button down for a few seconds. It may take a few seconds for your iPhone 12 to spring back to life, so don't panic. Here we go. Finally got the Apple symbol of hope. Hope that my phone's going to work. Hello. Let's swipe up on this screen again. It may ask you for your passcode this time. Now you may get a few prompts, one for our Apple ID and password, which we need to enter, but for the other prompts, it's best to click on Set Up Later or Don't Use to save time, as we will be starting the iPhone up again anyhow. Welcome to iPhone. If we swipe up, we can see that our iPhone 12 is now set up, and if we go to Settings, General, and then About, we can see that this iOS software version is 14.1, but it needs to be version 14.2 or higher for the data transfer to work, as our old iPhone already has iOS version 14.2 installed on it. So let's update our iPhone 12 to iOS 14.2 now. In Settings, let's go to General and then Software Update. Then tap on Install and enter our passcode. It verifies the update and starts installing. And it took about 10 minutes to install the update for me. And after the update installs, you should get this hello screen again. And when you swipe up to open, you should then get this software update complete screen. So let's tap on Continue. iPhone Analytics, tap on Don't Share, and then tap on Continue again. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up, and if we check in Settings on our iPhone, our iOS software should be up to date on version 14.2, which it is. So that's great, and this means we won't get stuck on the software update screen again. And we can now reset this iPhone 12 to trigger the data transfer stage, which should work smoothly now with no problems. Now we need to go to Settings on our iPhone 12, and then General, and then Reset, and finally tap on Erase All Content and Settings, and tap on Erase now. Then enter our passcode, and tap on Erase iPhone, and tap on it again. And now we need to enter our Apple ID password. Right, and then return. Okay, and here it goes. It's now actually erasing all the content on the iPhone 12. After the erase has completed, we should be back at this hello screen. And we now need to place our old iPhone that we are transferring the data from close to our iPhone 12. After we've done that, we can swipe up this hello screen to open it and enter our language and then our country. And we should now see the quick start page on our iPhone 12. But we also need to see the pop-up window on our old iPhone screen so that we can trigger the data transfer process. If you don't see that pop-up window, which is what happened to me, there is a way to trigger it. You have to wait for your iPhone 12 screen to go to sleep and return to a black screen, and then tap on the power button or move your phone to switch the screen on again. And then swipe up on the hello page again, and this should trigger the pop-up message to appear on your old iPhone. Tap continue on the pop-up message, and now hold the camera of our old iPhone over the animated QR code until it triggers the connection. And now we need to enter the passcode for our old iPhone. Make sure it's the passcode for your old iPhone and not your new iPhone 12. Okay, so we're back at the Face ID. So let's do the Face ID. This is really good Face ID. And let's set that up. So set up. Transfer data from iPhone. Okay, so now let's just tap continue. And setting up your Apple ID. Okay, terms and conditions, let's agree to those. Right, settings from your iPhone. So, okay, let's transfer those over. Apple Pay, I'll do that later. And I'll set my Apple Watch up later. I won't share audio recording yet. iPhone Analytics, I won't share that for now. And here we go. Finally got there. Transferring data from iPhone. This transferring data process took me about 20 minutes to transfer about 60 gigabyte of data. So it could be quicker or slightly longer for you, depending on how much data you're transferring over. Transfer complete. And your iPhone 12 should now be an exact copy of your old iPhone, with all your data transferred across. For me, it's even recovered all my missing emails. Well, I hope this video has helped you out. If it has, please thumbs it up and please subscribe for more iPhone tech guides and tech reviews to come. Thanks for watching.